Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment failure or this payment has failed on Aliexpress in 2025. First thing you need to do is to double check that the card number, expiring date and CVV code are entered correctly, because even a small mistake can cause a failure. Next, ensure your card hasn't expired and that you have sufficient funds for the purchase, including any potential currency conversion fees. Next, contact your bank, because your bank might have blocked the transaction due to security reasons, especially if it's an international payment or a large amount. So contact them for authorization. Next, you can try a different payment method. If the card continues to fail, try another card or a different payment option available on Aliexpress, such as Alipay, PayPal if it's available in Nigeria, or other digital wallets. Next step you can take is to clear cache and cookies, or use a different browser or app. Sometimes technical glitches with your browser or your Aliexpress app can cause payment issues. So clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try completing the purchase using a different browser or the Aliexpress mobile app. You can also decide to remove and re-add payment method. This can sometimes resolve issues with saved information. Also, make sure the currency you're trying to pay with is supported by Aliexpress. If not, try change the currency to USD or another supported option. You can also check your spending limits, because your card or bank account might have daily or transaction limits that you have exceeded. So check with your bank to see if this is the case. And you can also wait and try again, because sometimes the issue might be on Aliexpress side or with the payment gateway. So wait for a while, e.g. a few hours, and then try the payment again. And if all fails, contact Aliexpress customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on the error message you are seeing. It's important for you to know that you should be cautious of sellers asking for direct payments outside the Aliexpress platform, as this can be a sign of a scam and voids your buyer protection. Always complete transactions through the official Aliexpress channels. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.